Welcome back friends, and if you are unlocking your mobile, this is called in-display fingerprint unlock. When you are unlocking it, it will be unlocked. So if you want to get this type of animated wallpaper, I have already made a video. I will give the link in the description so you can get it. Now I'm talking if your in-display fingerprint locking system is not working properly. In that case, what you need to see in your mobile, this is for Samsung mobile, so I'm going to tell you in this video. Go to the setting, and here when you are going to the biometric and security, here you will find the fingerprint. It will ask for pattern, and from here you can add. When you are adding it, so start adding, you have to press here. In some cases it got stuck. Here it is working, but if in your case it got stuck, then what you need to do, try this comes, what you will do. So, and in most cases it is working. I am going to tell you. Just go to the setting, and here go to the display, and in display just touch sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for the use for just turn it on, and now when you will again try, it will work. I think in most of the cases it is working after enabling that touch sensitivity in the Samsung mobile. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.